In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link tasks in ClickUp. By linking tasks, you'll be able to refer to other tasks without having all at one place. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So the easiest and the best ways to link tasks is using dependencies. For instance, I want to link task 2 to task 3. To do that, I'll go ahead and go to the task that I want to link the other two, and that is task 3. So I'll click on these dots and then click on dependencies. Now this will open this window and we have here an option, linked task. So we can add a task that we want to link to this task 3, and I'll go ahead and link task 2. So if I choose that and then click outside, now I'll have linked task 2 to task 3. So that's how you can add linked tasks in ClickUp. And as you can see, the linked task is now here. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.